guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Oppo A77. So in the first step we have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app in the search bar. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax. Then tap Add the permissions to camera and to the files and click on the plus to choose the source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery, like this guy for example, never mind. And if you're ready, click import. Of course you can select more than one picture. Now you can add this shape to the document and click arrow. Now you can choose the filter for your photo. And you can add signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list. You can give a small note here. If you want to add more documents, click on the plus and choose the source like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, get your free credits or just buy it, click on this button, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.